The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. So the Crescendo Hard Fork for Kaspa was a massive success, and now we are a 10 block per second proof of work block DAG. I love it. So I'm going to be solo mining now with some of my Kaspa miners, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick how to do it. It's super easy. So I'm going to use my KS0 Ultra, the 400 gigahash per second. I'm leaving it stock, and I'm going to use it on a pool that everybody has access to. It's super easy to do. So if you like that type of content, please hit the like button. It helps more than you know. Consider subscribing to the channel. I've got tons of crypto content. I just did a video yesterday on the Crescendo Hard Fork and what it means for Kaspa. So check that video out if you haven't yet. Now, what I'm going to show you today will work with any Kaspa miner, but I'm going to show you specifically on my KS0 Ultra. The reason why I'm pretty excited about this is because the KS0 Ultra ain't making a whole lot right now pool mining. But if you are looking at 10 blocks per second, even though the reward is reduced, there's so many blocks flying out there now that you have a very good chance of hitting them with your small miner. There's people that I've been talking to that have the OG KS0 100 gigahash version, the one that I started my basically YouTube channel covering. It is able to hit blocks faster. There's someone I know named Blue Moon Mining. He said he hit 4 blocks in the last 24 hours. I will show you on the screen his X post. Go subscribe to Blue Moon. Anyway, I'm very excited to try this. So I'm going to keep my KS0 Ultra solo mining for a month and just see what happens. So this is like day one. Let's set it up. First thing we need to do is take a look at what pools have solo mining as an option. It looks like for Kaspa, there's tons of options. We got via BTC, their fees 1%. KaspaPool.org is 0.75%. It looks like Hero Miner's got 0.9% fees. K1 Pool for solo has a 0.5% fee, and it goes on and on. You guys check out which one would work out best for you, or better yet, mine to your own node. I'll be doing future videos where I show you how to mine to your own Kaspa node as well. But for now, I'm going to show you the easy way. So I'm going to go with KaspaPool.org. Now, one of the reasons why I went with Kaspa Pool instead of K1 Pool, after the Crescendo Hard Fork, they went down. I had some people in my Discord saying they had their miners down. Unfortunately, yesterday after the hard fork, they had some issues. They've recovered. I gave them a chance. I didn't change anything over. They recovered just fine. I'm not too worried about leaving them on K1 Pool, but I'm going to skip doing the solo mining since they had some issues yesterday. If you guys want to join my Discord, links in the description. It's free to join if you want to check it out. So I'm going to use Kaspa Pool. Go to kaspa-pool.org, and they make it super easy. Just go to start mining, and then once you're on start mining, you're going to punch in your wallet address. I'm going to mine straight to my TANGEM wallet. This is my go-to wallet for all my crypto. Right now, TANGEM wallet is 15% off if you use discount code GREATERGOOD. It's a great wallet, and this is where I'm going to mine to. So punch in your wallet address, whichever wallet you choose to use. Then you're going to punch in a worker name, and that will automatically put like .worker down here. See how it says worker_1 right there? If you typed in like GGM KS0 Ultra or something like that, see how it creates that wallet/worker for you. And here is the stratum. So you would need to copy that. Now I'm going to punch in just a fake address. Okay, so see how easy that was. And then all you have to do is pick your location. Now, this is something else to consider. Europe, Asia, North America, South America. These are the locations they're allowing you to select. So I would click North America, and then we're going to switch from pool to solo. So what you want to do is you want to copy your pool address, and you want to copy this wallet worker name. And then we're going to go to our web GUI for the Iceriver machine that we're using. So now that you're logged into your Iceriver web GUI, we're going to go to mining settings right here. And then we're going to punch in the stratum that was created on Kaspa Pool that we copied. And then you can, I'm just putting the US stratum for solo mining for backups. You could put another stratum in there. Like I could put like a European stratum in here as a backup, just in case something happened. But for now, I'm just leaving the US stratum for the solo mining on KaspaPool.org in all 3 sections here. And then this is where you're going to punch your wallet-worker name in that was created automatically on Kaspa Pool. And then you make sure you hit save. And then I'd always recommend restarting your miner once you've punched this information in. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros has the best brands and the newest and latest ASICs that you can buy. So check out Crypto Miner Bros. Use discount code GREATER for $70 off each miner in your order. And the prices that you see on the website are the prices shipped to your door. Also, check out their offers section. They have this offer section tab right here that I always think is really cool. They have like short-term deals that run for a limited time. So they've got like Dogecoin miners, Bitcoin miners. Check that out too. Don't forget to use discount code GREATER for $70 off. Use the link in the description as the official link to Crypto Miner Bros. Thank you, Crypto Miner Bros, again for sponsoring this video. Now that we've got everything set in the miner web GUI, let's go ahead and take a look and see how everything's looking at the pool. Okay, we're back on kaspa-pool.org and I'm at the home screen. And what we're going to do is punch the miner address in there without the worker name at the end. So just punch in the Kaspa receive address that you use to set everything up in your miner and then hit the search button. Here we are in our own little dashboard for the pool. I haven't been running it for that long, but my 3-hour average is 400 gigahash and my solo effort is 18%. So this is where you can check your miner, how it's running in the pool. You can check your rewards here. Nothing yet. So we'll check blocks, nothing yet. So don't worry about that though. There's a lot of people that are complaining that, oh, I switched to solo and it sucks, but it's been less than 24 hours. Let's talk about that for a minute. The whole point of solo mining is you are on your own and you're hoping you hit a block and there is luck involved. Pool mining, you're grouping together with a ton of different people and you're guaranteed to get a payout. It's just you're going to get paid out a lot less, especially with these small home miners. You saw the profitability on the KS0 Ultra for pool mining earlier that I showed you. So luck is involved. Block effort is how much work it took to find a block. You saw earlier I had a effort like of 18%. So if I found a block at 18%, I'd be very lucky, but it averages out over time. It should average out to 100%. So you could go days, you could go weeks without hitting a block, but it's less likely to go that long when you have 10 blocks per second with the new Kaspa Crescendo Hard Fork. That's the whole point behind this. That's the whole reason why I decided to solo mine with this small miner. There are people that have higher hash rate rigs that went from mining kind of steadily a certain amount of Kaspa per day, and now they've got less Kaspa in 24 hours than they did before when they were pool mining. But it's silly to think that you're going to always get the same exact amount. There's been plenty of times, like I showed you earlier, where the KS0 Pro that should be worth like next to nothing right now with, I think it was only 200 gigahash per second on a KS0 Pro. They've got 4 blocks in less than 24 hours. And I've seen people with 8 terahash miners that are getting far less rewards than they were expecting, but that's because they went from pool mining to solo mining. So luck is involved. You're not guaranteed to hit blocks. I'm going to watch this thing for 30 days and see how I do. There's plenty of other people that have done tests like this in the past, but not with this new Crescendo Hard Fork. So I wanted to do this for you guys. I wanted to do a 30-day test with my KS0 Ultra to see how it performs, to see what kind of payout I get. And I'm hoping that it's impressive enough that I continue to go, because I want to mine to my own node with my Kaspa miners, with my small home Kaspa miners. And I'm hoping it's worth it because I want it to be worth it for you guys too. I want you guys to be successful with your mining, especially with these little Kaspa home miners. I love the project. I love these little miners. I want them to be profitable, and I'm hoping that it helps decentralize the network. So tell me what you think. Are you still Kaspa mining? Are you pool mining? Are you solo mining? Did you decide to solo mine after watching this video? I'm curious what you guys are doing. I'm going to try this out for a month and see how it goes. I'll report back to you sometime in the beginning of June, and we'll see how this goes. It's an experiment, and this is new for everybody because no one's done this before with the Crescendo Hard Fork, especially with these small home miners. So keep an eye on my channel. Follow me along, see how I do, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, hit the like button, it helps more than you know. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.